I know the struggle of what it's like to be a brand new blogger, not know what to do, and yet not really have a lot of money to spend up front. And so in today's video, we're going over this course, the Launch Your Blog Business course by CreateAndGo. But before we dive in, let me tell you a quick story. A few years back, I was extremely frustrated with how much debt that I was in. I was starting graduate school, ready to take on tens of thousands of dollars in debt, and honestly I had no experience with money, and my eyes just glazed over at all the fancy finance and numbers talk. Then something happened that changed my life forever. I wanted to get out of debt, so I started reading beginner's books such as Dave Ramsey's Complete Guide to Money and Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I also started to get excited about the possibility of having financial freedom. And honestly, I had no idea the impact that this would have on my life. The problem was that I didn't really know how to make more money without it taking up all my free time. I didn't have anyone to give me guidance, and honestly, being in graduate school, I didn't have a lot of extra time. I didn't know anyone who was into blogging or being on social media successfully, and I just needed some guidance. Everything ended up taking an extremely long time. I mean, if you're a new blogger, you understand this. Okay, learning WordPress, learning about themes and website design, learning about social media and different marketing, learning about email. I mean, there's so much stuff that goes on with being a new blogger. What really frustrated me the most was seeing so many like Pinterest pins, for example, so many articles that talked about how easy it was to make money online as a blogger and how people were literally quitting their jobs within months. And I thought this would be really exciting and a good potential and a good opportunity, but I had no idea what I was getting myself into. After a few months, I really had already put in a lot of money. I had put in money for, of course, the hosting and the theme. I put in money for all the different things that you need as a new blogger. Not too long being into it, I stopped blogging. And I know that's what a lot of you guys have either gone through or are currently going through. Not only did I have over $70,000 of debt now new to my name after graduate school, but then I also had this blog that just wasn't going anywhere. So with all this frustration, I decided to make a bit of a leap. I decided to go ahead and buy this course. And I've seen lots of people who buy courses. And to be honest, I've seen honestly so many people who recommend that you need a course in order to get things started, or else you're gonna be trying to figure out this blogging stuff for like 3 years straight. I was researching a lot of courses and I found different ones that people were recommending, and I found different ones like through Pinterest, for example, but this one really caught my eye. I think the biggest thing that has really been exciting is that I have really transitioned from what we would call like a beginner blogger to more of an intermediate blogger. I'm now earning enough money to really sustain taking off a day or two of work, and then also to be able to just have more time freedom. So let's dive into a few things about this course. So I'm talking about the CreateAndGo's Launch Your Blog Business course. And so this one is honestly like the first one that you would come across, the first one that you'd buy. They do have a handful of other courses available, which are awesome. So I really just bought this first one, so I'm doing the review of the first one. So here are a few things that you get with this specific course. This online course is digital and you get a ton of good content to get your blog up and running. So here's a breakdown. You do get lifetime access to the course, step-by-step guidance to start your blog and to drive traffic, which honestly, you need traffic in order to make money. And so they really do dive into how to do this. Tutorials for how to make your first $1,000 blogging, an exclusive Facebook community to share ideas with other bloggers. And this was really great, especially it was brand new. Like, for example, I got denied as an Amazon affiliate right at the beginning, and I was freaking out because I had no idea why, because they don't tell you why. So all I did was put that question and those few screenshots onto the Facebook community, and someone was able to completely tell me what to do, like why it happened, what to do about it. It was great. Like, it's a community of a ton of people right now, and so it's a super awesome resource. And then you also get email sales templates, which is an amazing resource as well. So another really great thing that I liked about this course was that you did get a few freebies. Now, I feel like it's really common nowadays to get some extra bonus content or freebies with things that you buy. And so they do offer a handful of good things. So let's dive into those. The first bonus is that you do get a roundup of affiliate programs and marketplaces information. So this is really important because affiliates really is the most popular way to earn money as a new blogger. Over my first 2 years of blogging, I did make definitely over $1,000. And so this is really awesome because you don't really know where to go, and I don't really trust everything that you find online because people are just trying to make money off of you. So this is a really good trusted resource. Secondly, you do get the email trust funnel templates, which is a $297 value, which is a really big deal. These are great because honestly, you don't have to go through and type up all your own like copywriting for your emails. everything's done for you and you just like fill in the blanks. It's really great. And then next you get that community support group, which honestly is one of the biggest things. And what's really fun is you can go in there and you can say hi and I'll literally chat with you. I mean, it's a super chill environment and anyone will answer like any of the blogging, Pinterest, SEO questions that you have. So of course your question is, why is this course different than others? What's so great about this one? What's so great about their other courses? Who are these people anyway? So let's talk a little bit more about that. The first thing is I want to say, you just don't have a lot of time if you're a new blogger. Honestly, if you're trying to get online, if you're doing anything from like Etsy sales to creating your website, affiliates, if you're trying to do any of that, you just don't have enough time to figure everything out on your own. The second thing that I really realized throughout my experience with this course and throughout the first few years of blogging is that at the beginning, you don't have enough money unless you had prepared for it for a blogging coach. Now, what's really great about a blogging coach is that's like a one-on-one thing, but with the course, you get all the information on your own time, like because it's digital, you can go through it on your own, and it's just a lot cheaper. Another thing is Alex and Lauren, the creators of Create and Go, the creators of this course, they have really figured this out. If you go over to Create and Go, you can really see that they have literally been making over $100,000 per month as bloggers. Like it blows my mind. I can't even wrap my head around how much money that is. I'm not there yet, but wow, goals. So I think that's really the biggest selling point about this course is because they have made not only one, but 2 blogs that they talk about on this course. And they tell you about all the things that they did wrong and the things that they now recommend. And what's great is that they also are updating everything. How do you know if this course is for you? I really recommend this course if you are brand new to blogging or if you have started blogging and just aren't making sales. So the whole point of people starting blogs is because they want to make money online and eventually achieve earning a certain amount of passive income coming in, or if it just may be being able to quit their job, for example. And this course pretty much guarantees that you're going to earn your first $1,000. So really, if you're someone who is looking for a way to really know how to make money, how to do affiliate sales, there's a big emphasis on the affiliate stuff just because it's so easy at the beginning to do. But then they have additional courses with figuring out SEO, figuring out like different marketing such as Pinterest through their Pinterest traffic avalanche, also through figuring out how to be a 6-figure blogger. And that's honestly the next step that I'm on, which is really exciting. So they do have courses and information throughout your entire journey. This one's just the beginning. So if you, again, are someone who really just needs to figure out how to make money, figuring out how to get to your first like $1,000 a month and how to really set up things such as your email, your marketing, how to make some money, for example. I mean, this course is everything you need. So I did include a link down in the description below that'll take you to their website so you can learn more about it. I also have an article down below with a little bit more information that I had written up for you guys so that you have more details that you can reference back later on if it's something that you're interested in looking into. So I know this video was a little bit different than my usual because I usually talk about like money and investing and rental investing and stuff, but this is so near and dear to my heart because this really has been the catalyst to me getting to this point that I'm at right now. And yes, I'm always changing and I'm always improving things. But honestly, without this course, I would not be here and I would not be taking off a few days of work. Like this is really cool and I'm so excited for you guys to be a part of this. Go down in the comments. I really want to know if you guys have also bought Create and Go and I'd love to chat with you. So drop down in the comments there below and be sure to go check out the next video that I have. We're going to be talking about a really unique way to make extra money every month and I love this one. So be sure to go check out that. It's for anyone, especially if you're a new blogger. Hint, hint, it is a really great way to make some extra money if anyone can do it. So go check out that video and thanks for watching.